saw a Challenger in here. Oh, this it right here. Had some he was fighting with some noises. I saw everybody down on this end. Y'all take a look at this. Y'all see that? That bushing has come completely out of the subframe. Look at that. So they was hearing a bunch of noises as they drive. Now this is a stick transmission. This is a manual transmission. See this? Okay, so when they put it in the gear, they would get this big old thump. You know, the drive shaft rose all the way down through here. And of course, you have to reach the differential. But this is amazing, guys. Now, they sell these bushings separately, but nobody wants to take a chance of installing. There's two more right here. Nobody wants to take it because they press fit. So nobody wants to take a chance because all of this is in the way. Basically, you have to drop the frame anyway to hammer out the bushings and press in new ones. Wow, this is crazy. I have never seen one like this come apart. The bushings come out. It looks like it just completely. So it's a risk to try to press in a new bushing. This housing may be warped, okay, and won't hold the bushing. So it's extremely risky to do that. I think he's gonna end up, at least that whole thing. Look at that. I think he's gonna end up replacing the complete subframe assembly, guys. At least that's what y'all think. You suspension guys out there, what y'all think? Major clump when you put it in gear. Looks like the drive shaft been, I don't know, guys. So that's pretty interesting, guys. Let's go this way, man. Let's go walk this way. I saw them pushing this what is this, a Dodge Magnum, Dodge Charger. I saw them, this thing got a 392 in it. Yeah, it's got a 392. I saw them pushing this in. What is going on over here? I saw a lot of people over here talking and in shock. Wonder what did they see? I see a lot of oil, guys. You have the radiator, the fan off. What was everybody over here for? Got the rack off. What? Oh, what the? Holy, is that? Whoa! Holy, wait a minute. Okay, so he took the rack off to gain, to get to the oil pan. Look at that oil pan, guys. Holy crap. Oh, this thing gonna need an engine. Something has, I see a hole right there. Something has came apart. 9-speed transmission. This is a 392. They got the pulley off. That's what everybody was over here for. Whoa! What in the? Is that a piston? Guys, I'm finna take the camera up here so maybe y'all can get a better view. I can't see. Y'all tell me what y'all see. You can see in the guts. You ever punch a hole or in the operating room and you open somebody's guts up, stomach up? You can see the guts. Holy crap. Look at that. That's a piston right there. It won't focus. There the focus is. The whole block got a hole in it, guys. Wow, something came apart. I don't know. Maybe this guy was punching it. But it's built for that. So you shouldn't have to. You should not be able to punch your car when it's designed for punching. This is a 392. Oh my goodness. Yes, if this is it looks fairly new, so I can assume it's under warranty, but this is one Chrysler will want back. They take these in the analyzing room and analyze everything, and there shouldn't be no reason they decline this as far as warranty go, because it doesn't matter how hard you punch it. I'm sure they're gonna look for things like mods and all that. I don't have it down. I'm not gonna let it down and look on the top. Yes, they're gonna look for any kind of special mods. They want to, when we do this, guys, we got to send them features inside the controller. Okay, inside that controller, there's a lot of snitching that can happen inside that controller. So if you add stuff onto your factory equipped stuff, you got to be careful with that stuff, because there's a feature on that controller that we look up on our scan tool, and we have to send to Chrysler when we submit for needing an engine. Yes, they want to see all that stuff, tattletale stuff. It is some snitching that can go on in that controller, guys. Yes, it can. Wow. So I'm not gonna let it down. Like I say, I want to see up top, see if he added anything. Look at the hole in that block. Whew. But guys, it's just like tools, okay? It's just like lifetime warranty tools. Just say, let's use an impact socket for an example. You go in the truck, you take a Snap-on man, his socket, his black impact socket, and tell him, look, I need another one, it's broke. He got the nerve to ask you, well, what was you using it for? It doesn't matter. It's freaking lifetime warranty and it's an impact. That should be able to withstand anything. So it's not like Chrysler can ask him, well, what was you doing? It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter if I slammed on the gas and none of that matters. The car is typically, I ain't gonna say it's built for that, but it should be able to take that. I didn't see that second hole right there. But man, I don't know, man. Let me go because this is frustrating. All right, guys, let's go this way. Let's go over here. This looks like a transfer case. Okay, you got a transfer case apart. Why, I do not know. Okay, must be some kind of noise issue going on, but these transfer cases, they are repairable, guys. Don't get me wrong. Anything is repairable depending on what's damaged. Okay, it's just a big gears, y'all. Everybody know the responsibility of a transfer case, right? You really want to turn the vehicle into 4-wheel drive mode. Okay, they can be named well, there's a difference between a PTU and a transfer case, but they pretty much perform the same. You want the same results, okay? But all-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive are similar, but they're different. Okay, so some cars will have a transfer case and some will have a PTU. I think most of the front-wheel drive vehicles typically use a PTU. And oh boy, when they become noisy and they need replacing, oh, you talking about a headache to replace. Okay, yes, I've replaced a couple of these. They get noisy, guys. Like I said, I don't know. Now there's service maintenance intervals for even the transfer case. That's right, guys. Some of them use gear lube, some of them use red ATF4. From the look of this fluid, it's likely red ATF4. I don't even see what this came out of. I don't see the vehicle over here, but I have done a couple of these, guys. Noise, and not working. Simply not transferring the torque from the transmission to the front and the rear drivetrain. Okay, now I've already discussed this differential right here. I'm taking this. That's obviously they're not coming back for a core, guys. So we're gonna split this open. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look at what's going on inside of there. Okay, not much of repairs you can do. Although I took a course on this where we took it all apart, we just can't seem to get parts. So anytime there's a problem, we just simply replace the diff unit. And of course, this 2.4 multi-air engine. I want to go over the procedure with replacing the brick, guys. Why this is so important to having proper oil level. We're going to discuss all of that. That's a special tool you use to even remove the brick. We're going to discuss all that. I don't think this stuff been over here a good month, so it's obviously there's no core on it. So you know what that means, guys. It's coming to JT area. All right, so we'll talk about that when I get it. When I get caught up, I'm not really behind. I'm just trying to maintain a certain. I got a lot on my plate, but I will get what I want done. Okay, so guys, I think that's pretty much it. Let me yeah, that's enough for today. I'll get y'all some more typical day in the shop videos soon, so stay with me, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.